Okay, we continue. Topic today about music is universal language. Okay, guys, as you know, music we can enjoy for start from Europe music or Hindi music, as Miss Mala said, and a lot of music in the world. We have to speak up today. Okay, we will continue my question with handsome brother.
Hi, hi.
Yes, how important music for you in daily life, especially for sharing your language. Yes.
Yeah, exactly. Music is very important because it will represent in my feeling, right? Because if you to be as at the very first place like bad mood, if you listen music, yeah, you can change in your mood, right? Not only about the mood, also you can learn about the music. Music, for example, if you wanna learn English, right? You can listen English song, and after that, yeah, you can listen up, and yeah, you know about the pronunciation. Also, you can improve your vocabulary, for example, like, and yeah, it's very important music for my life because a lot of benefit I already get from music. Yeah.
Yes, from Brother Achang said that yeah we can learn vocabularies, especially in English. We also learn from music. Oh, that's a good. How about Mrs. Devi? There's
Uh,
shiny,
yes,
bright.
absolutely. As a mother, yeah, I'm talking here as a mother's perspective
Good.
that music is not only language for me, but the way I talk to my husband, to my children every
Wow.
day. Yeah, the way I imbue my emotion. I mean, in a good emotion or in a bad emotion. Like, uh, suppose that every day when I starting my day in the morning, I starting it by turn on the music. Then I can like feel the vibes. Then I can enjoy
Yes.
the real of being a mother. That like starting cooking and preparing
Yes.
a breakfast for my children and for my husband. And that's why I'm so grateful for my husband and my children because they it's like the way I try to find myself to define myself by turning on the music the way they feel happy too. They get the vibes that oh look at Bunda, she's she is more happy and she is more enjoy
Yes.
her roles as a mother, the way she's cook, the way she feel better because of the music. And sometimes not sometimes but almost every day when I turn on the music and I turn on a little bit how to say like rock music, or it's so
Wow,
it
rock
so makes me
music.
yeah not so rock, yeah, but it's like happy music. Then I suddenly dancing and I ask my husband or my children or
Yes.
anything I can do. I mean like dancing a small dancing in the kitchen while I'm waiting for my yeah my cousin is ready. And that's it.
Oh,
I mean,
okay.
that's one of the best self healing for me. Every day, there is no. I mean, I never skip my day without music, turning on the
Wow.
music. So that's it.
Okay. And until you wake up and at the any music always accompany you.
Yes, always. We're
Wow.
always.
It can bring the vibes, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's why. I mean, if I have to be honest, I have a special one cell phone only for music. I put
Wow.
my yeah like my iTunes. I put all of my favorite music here. So there is no social
Wow.
media, no chit chatting or anything. Only for music only.
Wow.
Yeah, and I always make it sure in the morning before I mean before I go sleep. I always make it sure that I charging it full because I will starting my day in the next tomorrow with a full of battery for my music. So that's why it's so priceless for me. The cell phone is so how to say, the cell phone is so cheap, but the function is so priceless for me. So it's nice. Thank you.
Okay, thank you from Mrs. Dewi. Yes, music always bring the vibes when exercise, when cooking, and yeah, every daily activity. Okay, the next question is about genre music. Yes, genre. Yes. How about Miss Mala? What genre music you like? All of
all of genre music I like. I don't make it. The most I like is slow rock or something like. Yeah, I love all, but the most I listening is from all of languages. But yeah, the most I mean in my daily routine, I always listening Spain music. I mean Spain
Spain.
song. Yeah.
Wow, it's really
Um,
difficult language for me.
Yeah,
Spain.
actually, it's not difficult if you want to learn about that language. Not because of I understand the language, I learn their language, but I don't make it as specific. Um, but since I was child, I like Western.
Western.
Yeah,
Yes.
Western music.
Western.
And my favorite is, I mean, when I was child, my favorite singer from America is Britney Spears.
Britney,
Yeah, Britney
Spears.
Spears.
Maybe
And-
yes.
Haha. And maybe you don't know this one. I love also the one of the oldest in 90, yeah, in 90s is Backstreet Boys. It's boy band. Yeah, they are the best in that era, and yeah, I love that song. I love their songs, and
Okay.
Britney Spears also.
Yes, so popular, right? In 19 era,
Yeah, 1990s.
90 era, yes.
And yeah, That's it.
Okay, from Miss Malas, like Western music. How about Miss
Western.
Seng?
Okay. Sam. If you ask me about my genre in music, personally, I don't really know what kind of genre that I am into, cause it's just like random. I don't really have a certain like
Special?
certain type of music, because I don't really I'm not really into R&B or pop, but it's just like random or music that I like to listen to, or I feel like I'm feeling good, or it is related to me. So
Okay.
yeah, I don't have a certain type of music, but in my playlist there are a lot of like type that I put into my playlist. For example, from Tulus, I like Tulus music from Nadine Amiza, from like Indonesian musician, and also from another or Western musician from like Swifties. I am Swift. Siapa lagi? Taylor Swift,
Taylor Swift.
Selena Gomez, Justin Bieber, and also Doja Cat. I recently listen to the music, even though I know that in from Doja Cat's song there are a lot of like curses words that we not allowed to listen or not allowed to say, because it's like a bad words, but I like to listening to her music, but because like it will like boost my mood, or because it's very like make me very happy to listen to Doja Cat's music. Because
Okay.
I don't really agree if people or someone said that if you listen to this musician, you not really have a really good taste of music, because in reality we have a different like how to say like type or
Yes.
personality, and also something that we are going through, because a lot of people make the music to that expresses their like emotional or something they are going through in daily basis or in their experience. Yeah.
Okay. For small listener, just tell us if you have good music in YouTube channel Smart FM. Don't go anywhere. Stay in Smart FM Makassar.